And you all voted, and the first one was kind of around the health dashboard and different events that we can have directly from NetCloud Manager. So let me explain. So before I show you NetCloud Manager and where to find this information, it's important to know what cellular health actually is. So cellular health, kind of boiled down to its simplest terms, is a collection of information, whether it's the service type and the corresponding signal quality and signal strength metrics that we then convert into a nice stoplight colored value from poor all the way up to excellent. And the reason we do this is because I think back when I was an SE many, many years ago, and we have to try to troubleshoot an invisible wire. And some tools that we put inside NetCloud Manager to help ease that troubleshooting is cellular health. And where do I find that in NetCloud Manager? Well, all you have to do is navigate either to your dashboard and then to the health page, and it will give you kind of the totality or all of the different values for your network. But in this screenshot, what we're actually looking at is a specific device. And if we navigate to the health dashboard and then the summary, it's just going to give us a bunch of information. One piece of that information is our cellular health. And you can see here that we actually reference the exact same values from that previous screen, poor, fair, good, and then excellent right here on the cellular health card. But if you actually click into that card, what's going to happen is it's going to give you a time series graph where it's going to give you that same raw data on the service quality and the power received, but it's also going to give you different events that have occurred within that time series. So if you look at the bottom of the chart there, you see those numbers along the top with 5, 4, 6, and 2. What that's actually saying is within that time window, there were multiple events. Maybe it was changing the tower, maybe RF bands, but what it allows you to do is correlate this timepiece to maybe a time when you were getting, calls from maybe a poor customer experience. So now you can go, oh, actually, I see that the device was rapidly changing towers. So now I can have a pinpoint of what I'm trying to troubleshoot. Instead of trying to demystify and correlate this page and that page, we put it all in one single pane of glass so you can, again, find that resolution faster for whatever's going on in your network.